Okay, everyone, welcome home. Welcome home to this gorgeous, bright, beautiful, and luxurious home in Island in the Sun, where you have two, not one, but two beautiful, spacious porches. And walk right in. This could be an enclosed bedroom if you'd like to add. And you walk into this huge, spacious, gorgeous, vaulted ceiling living area with brand new subflooring throughout the entire unit, gorgeous custom cabinetry, quartz for the kitchen, and this spacious, huge, wide open living area, dining area, kitchen area. It's so fun and beautiful. The flooring consists of a brand new marble gardenia, luxury vinyl plank, and it is just beautiful. Check out these gorgeous ceilings and the spacious, spacious area of living. And furniture's negotiable if you'd like it, negotiable. And we are going to give $300 toward lot rent for every month for 6 months straight. $300 credit for every month. Beautiful skylights for 6 months. Look at this master. It's gorgeous, 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 huge master. You can fit a king-size bed in here. Gorgeous little spacious little yard up, backs up to a preserve, nice and quiet. 2 beautiful windows. Gorgeous master bathroom. Really pretty. Back here to the toilet. And look at this gorgeous area. And the 2 bedrooms are carpeted with a sugar cookie brand new carpet. Sugar cookie is the name of the carpet. Both bathrooms have gorgeous skylights and beautiful space. And the laundry room is equipped with washer and dryer. And look at the space of this second porch. You can put a table and chairs out here. You have a nice little shed that's huge, extremely spacious. You could put a little wood shop back here, really nice. And it's just overall lovely, 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 lovely. See how quiet and nice, so nice. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And guess what? It's only steps away from the beautiful clubhouse, pool, shuffleboard, bocce ball, and fun area of the entire complex. So right near the front, walking distance to the pool, gorgeous clubhouse, and all the amenities with the beautiful Beverly Hills type palms gracing the entrance. And there you have it, my friend. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.